Assalamu alaikum ji. Inshallah, everyone will be good. Today, I am about to explain how we should wash our cat to dress. Many of our colleagues complain that the color of this uniform gets dull. Today, I will explain you why it gets dull and how we can avoid. See my uniform, which I have been using for 1 year, right? This uniform I used 1 year. See, still the color is almost 97% in same condition. Now I will explain you why it did not get done. Now see, I have two qualities of detergent. One, this is 400 gram, but this is 3 to 4 real price. This one about 1 or 2 kg, but 5 real. Why this is cheap? Because this has not good quality. Okay, the quality of detergent is not good. This is expensive, but the quality is good. This one you will use much, okay, to clean your clothes. Now it will leave germs in our uniform, and also this will not be extracted completely from uniform while we wash. Now I will hide this with these brands, so I will avoid any legal action. See, now this is good quality. Next step I will tell you. See the next step. Here we have hot water and here we have cold water. Now what we will do, we will not use very hot water or even hot water. We will use only normal or warm water. Okay. If we have both, one is more cold. If it's cold, no problem. But we will not use very hot water. The normal water will be best. And one thing more, I will show you. See, this is only my cat food dress. I did not put any other dress with this because when we put hot water and we put other cloths with this will leave color. As we used normal warm water and good detergent, now you can see this is not leaving any color, only getting clean. See this water, this is getting only clean. We have cleaned our dress. Now we will remove the water of detergent mixed with detergent. After removing this water, we will add we will use this water to remove all the detergent from machine. Okay. See, now all detergent removed. Now we will stop this drain and put some water to squeeze all the detergent still available in our uniform. Let me add water, then I will show you next step. See, now we added some fresh water which squeezed all remaining detergent from this uniform. Okay. Again, we will wash this little bit and drain this water. After removing all detergent, we will squeeze it manually. Now you can see this is all clean water. There is no detergent now. See, this is all clean water. Like this, we will put it into spinner now. Now you can notice there is nothing damaged on this pant. See, in same color from both sides. Now we will put this also in spinner. See, now we took out of spinner it now, right? And now this has some moisture, not completely dry. Okay. Now I will let you know that if you put it under sun, you can put after pressing 10 to 15 minutes. For dry, you should not put it under sun because the color will get dull. Now it's completely clean. Now come with me. I will explain how we will press this. Now see, if you have iron like this, you will use this on 5. It means the temperature of the iron should be around 80-85, right? If you have any other iron, you will use this percentage 85-80. हाँ. As we have some moisture in this shirt, now the result, it will get pressed well, right? See, and the color, this will not get dull. Sorry, this color will not get dull, and it will get pressed very well. If you want to put it under sun after press, you can put it under sun like 10 to 15 minutes, not more than this, because the color will get dull. Now see the color in very good condition, and the result of press also very nice. So this was our little demonstration for uniform. I hope you understand and follow up with this. Thank you very much.